Hi, I'm Alejandro Orzua. Stay watching this video to tell you a tip that may interest you. To do the basic maintenance of any robot vacuum cleaner, first you have to turn the equipment upside down, remove the yellow cover, and there may be dirt stuck in the same corners. So, I advise you to always remove the roller, remove all the lint that can get stuck in each corner, remove the inner caps on both sides, then reinstall the caps and shim the motor shaft. In the motor shaft, we spin it on its own shaft to see that nothing is jammed and reinstall the yellow cap. Spin both wheels to avoid any dirt getting stuck in the spinning mechanism and also in the collecting brush knees. Then, with our sensor cleaning tool, clean the robot's own sensors. Make sure that it is square with the same dirt collector brush. We take out the central wheel, it is only pressurized, you take it out and make it rotate on its own axis. We open the dust container, take out all the internal dirt. We go to the EPA filter, shake it out. All this container can be washed except the filter. The filter only shake, it has a duration of 6 months. We shake it with the brush. Clean any debris that may be left in the container and reinstall.